I was able to make my first cash out, which is about if you are still earning less than 40,000 naira in 2024, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how I went from making 40,000 naira to averaging between 500k to 1 million naira on a monthly basis. You can call this a story time, but I'm also going to be listing out some of the skills that I tried that I did not succeed at before I got to this point. You know, it gets to a point where you realize that the money that you are making is not enough for the kind of lifestyle that you're looking to have. So I was at this point and I decided to start trying different ways to make money so that I can not only quit my job but also make a lot more money than what I was making at the time, which is 40,000 naira monthly. So the first thing I tried was I tried copywriting, right? Now copywriting works. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but after the first 2 months of me trying copywriting, I realized that after learning the skill, I have to now send code DMs, code messages to different companies that I want to work with. And I did not just like that idea of bombing people with messages and then hoping for them to reply to me. I didn't like the idea, so I just dropped copywriting. It was around the time I stopped copywriting that I came across the business that I am doing right now. It was this business that took me from making 40k up to where I am right now. So when I got started, I took the time to learn. It just took me about 2 weeks because I'm very intentional. If I want to learn something, I put my mind down and I learn it. So it took me about 2 weeks to learn, and on the 3rd week I was now implementing. So basically the 3rd week was my first week of implementation. In the first week I did not make any money at all from it, and I was actually low-key disappointed because I had this get rich quick mentality, but then I saw other people online making good money from this, and I was like, okay, as long as these people are able to make this money, so can I. So on my 2nd week of implementation, I was able to make my first cash out, which was about 24,500, right? So in my mind I was like, so if I can make more than half of my monthly pay in just 2 weeks, basically, in fact, let me just say in just 1 day, because that money actually came in 1 day. If I can make this much in 1 day, how much more when I become really good at this and I begin to do it consistently? That was how I was able to keep on growing, keep on becoming better, keep on adding more skills to the skills I already have. And right now I make anywhere between 500k to 1 million naira on a monthly basis, and this is when I am not putting in my full effort. Okay, this is when I'm not putting in my full effort, and I know that I can still make a lot more. So if you're at a point in your life right now where you're trying to level up your income level, then I just want to tell you that it's just a matter of you taking out some time to learn a new skill. Okay, you might struggle at first because you are new to it, but you eventually get the hang of it, and you can make 10 times, 20 times, even 30 times the money that you are earning currently, if you want to, if you are serious. Okay, if you like this content, then go ahead and follow me and like this video. Go ahead and also share it with people who you feel might be interested in it. Okay, cheers.